Okay guys, I'm in deep troubles. The engine I tried to turn over and the starter motor got stuck. So I start to turn the flywheel, or at least a pulley, right here. No movement. I tried with the manual cranker or whatever you call it. Seriously stuck. Nothing, just nothing. It's stuck. That means this motor needs a rebuild or a different one. So I always had the idea of removing the motor altogether, the engine, and just work with an outboard motor. If it breaks, I just take it off, replace it, and I'm on. And I have a lot more room and weight reduction to store stuff that I want or need. Just want. You don't need much. I kinda wanted this engine to start to go to Hoboken. That's not gonna happen. My motor mount is in Belgium. I ordered it from China, but the customs held it. So when I try to start with the start motor, nothing, not even a little bit. If I try the manual crank it, it's seriously stuck. No, seriously. The oil that came out was really nice. And there's brand new oil in there now. Everything is still lubricated. Yeah, water condense is probably came through here. The cylinder, which is right here, is probably seized. I'm totally effed, man. I tried and tried, but no luck whatsoever. Oh yeah. Nice and rusty. Although, just a pipe. So I took off the inspection plate, and that doesn't look really nice at all. All rusty. Maybe you can't see anything though. The motor itself has a flywheel, some sort. I think it's a flywheel. Yeah, that's where the starter is mounted onto. I think it's more, the problem is more there. The inside of the motor was nice. The oil was nice. It wasn't brown from whatever. Not a small move whatsoever. So I don't feel bad to put a lot of power, to put a lot of force onto the levers, because I don't think I'm gonna scratch the cylinder or whatever. Whoa. More force than I expected. So the starter, top. This flywheel has teeth, and that needs to move. So this part is stuck, this yellow part, which has nothing to do with the motor, I think. The whole engine needs to come out, because the engine is not really supported anywhere. All the support is on this part. Yeah, it's for sure this that's stuck. I think it's beyond repair. I need to give it up. This sucks so hard. We're going back home. The main reason is I need to be in the hospital tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow I can pick up my brother to lift out the engine. I hope it's gonna work. Laptop. Shutting off the VHF radio. Ta-da! That's this button. Shutting off. Oh no, that's my fridge. I heard it. But all the rest.